I'm beat. Using too much magic seriously does a number on my body. Turn to sweets. So sweet! And adding an element of bitterness on top of that creates a perfect harmony! Do you want some too? Well, since you asked nicely.
I have returned.
Oh, there you are.
Did you eat something in my absence?
Busted.
Thus, I too require chocolate.
Really, you worn out? You're a legendary beast who could take down a country.
Still, running all over with you on my back is no easy feat. I have grown too tired to move.
You are way too much.
What a rich sweetness! I do not dislike it.
Yeah, that's great.